cope with reality. I could not cope with the fact that my dad had died, the boyfriend didn't love me, and I was all alone.
Right.
But somehow the idea that I was part of a sex trafficking ring was easier. And actually, you know what else it's to do with? It's to do with being the focus of something. I had been left, I'd been abandoned, but if I was the victim of a sex trafficking ring, then I was being chased, wasn't I? I was the subject. I became.
Yeah.
Important,
Shouting bomb at an airport is the ultimate in
Oh yeah.
self-centeredness, I guess, isn't it? I mean, not that you were doing it deliberately.
No, and I fully believe there was a bomb in my bag. You know, the other thing that I remember is loads of young people laughing and taking pictures and videos of me on their smartphones.
Oh.
And I think, now, how could you have that response when somebody's
Incredible.
clearly really unwell?
Incredible. Yeah. And you look back now and I'm hoping you don't feel embarrassed because
No.
you were just ill. You were really ill.
I was so poorly. All I ever think every day is how lucky I was. You know, I've used up at least 8 of my 9 lives. That's how I see it. But now, my passion 10 years on is to break the stigma, because we still don't talk about it. 1 in 100 people in this country in their lifetime will experience psychosis. That's from the charity Mind. And we talk about depression, we talk about all these different illnesses. We don't talk about this. It's because it's a symptom, not a diagnosable condition.
Right.
But it's time to break the taboo. You can get better.
Well, thank you. You've got a brilliant piece in the Times. Is that just out today or?
It was out last week. You can read my Times piece. I've also got a Substack all about
Bakit ba? Andiyan ka na nga sa tatay mo? Inaagaw ko ba yung tatay mo?
Starting with David Crawford.
Na.
This is well being signed and the crowd is clear to be seen. I would say these are perfect weather conditions because we have had it in the past where it's been just too
Inom mo daw ang mata niya o ano. Andiyan ka na nga eh. Oh, sa'yo na.
And of course we had the longest ever race weekend here when it rained and rained and rained. But this is optimal for me. Curious to know whether it's optimal.
Ganyan lang pala gusto. Sa'yo na tatay mo.
Julian.
It certainly is. It